Well, a warning for you. This next story contains disturbing details. Suspended Ottawa lawyer James Bowie has been ordered to pay a former client $235,000 in a civil case after he repeatedly suggested she pay for his legal services with sexual favors. A judge found he defamed her, breached her human rights and his own duty as a lawyer. The disturbing allegations were first reported by CTV News. CTV's Katie Griffin is here with more. Katie.
Patricia, Superior Court Justice says she found Bowie's conduct shocking and an offense to the court's sense of decency. The lawyer for the woman who brought forward the civil suit says her client feels vindicated.
After agreeing to work out a payment plan, James Bowie offered to provide a former client legal services in exchange for oral sex. That finding among the details released in a decision in a civil lawsuit filed by Leanne Aubin. Superior Court Justice Heather Williams writing Bowie's campaign to exploit the circumstances of this vulnerable young client for his own gratification, followed by his public disclosure of her personal circumstances and confidential information, amount to a staggering breach of the trust obligations a lawyer owes to a client. According to the court document, Bowie suggested they communicate on Snapchat, a platform where messages are deleted. Aubin repeatedly rejected the offer to pay with sex. In late August 2022, when Aubin told Bowie she was in extreme mental distress, Justice Williams writes he recommended alcohol, drugs, and the sex with him that she had repeatedly said she was not interested in. CTV News reported the misconduct allegations against Bowie in 2022. He then took to social media to defend himself, where the judge says he, quote, identified the plaintiff, openly discussed their confidential lawyer-client relationship, and disclosed personal information about the plaintiff. Bowie was charged criminally in April 2023 with extortion, harassment, and 2 counts of uttering threats. Those allegations have not been tested in court. Bowie did not mount a defense in response to this lawsuit. His lawyer representing him on criminal charges and not involved in this case says it would be inappropriate for them to comment, given the charges are still before the courts. The judge in the civil case finding Bowie defamed Aubin, breached her human rights and his duty as a lawyer, ordering him to pay $235,000. Aubin's lawyer says her client feels vindicated, writing in a statement, "It's not easy speaking out against someone in a position of power. Leanne should be really proud of the courage that she showed by reporting Mr. Bowie's misconduct."
In deciding some of the damages, Justice Williams says she considered the fact Bowie has not gone unpunished to date. He's been suspended by the Law Society. His criminal trial has been postponed until early next year. Patricia.
CTV's Katie Griffin live for us tonight. Thank you.